What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another episode. We're back on old SquareBody again. Think we got it running better? Let's see. Alright, so as y'all could tell in the last video, we got her to run. But she cranked up about 20 times. I got her to run, you know, good and everything. And all of a sudden, I got zip. Nothing. I did not get no fire. So, basically, what I done is I took the coil out of a 350 engine I have over there and put it in here. And we got fire again, so I guess must have just been a bad call, maybe. The guy I got it from said that it was a teenager's truck. He was trying to tune it up, I guess probably the call. He couldn't figure out how to do it. So I hope that's the problem. And I got it rigged up like this. I got a gallon jug here. I got my return here in the side. My fuel line to go down to the pump. And I have a filter in the line going into the pump so that all the gas entering the pump is clean, and I have clean gas going to the carburetor. And been charging up the battery all night, so let's see if she's going to crank up. Might take her down the road for the first time and who knows how many years. It was last tagged 10 years ago, so that's what I'm gonna go with. You ready to go? Alright, here's the old pole. So, it was pretty beat. I'm gonna keep running idling good. Locked up to me, so we ain't gonna roll with that right now anyway. But that's her. Let's see if she'll go in gear. Back up a little bit. Maybe pull back forward. know, she drives. But she ain't wanting to damn shift too good and drive. I don't know what the deal is. Now I might have to cut y'all off to turn this bad boy. Well, I think I got it. I ain't got no power steering. She runs good. I mean, she's got, I put 5 quarts of transmission fluid in because it's a bone dry, but I don't know, maybe cranking it up, drink it. She ain't wanting to shift too good and drive, so that's gonna be the main problem right there. But alright, I'll catch you on in a second. Alright, well there we have it, first drive anyways. So, runs good, we gotta figure out why it ain't wanting to shift. I don't know. Check transmission fluid, go from there, see if we can get it to shift good. Stay tuned. Alright, topping it off with transmission fluid, still ain't shifting through all the gears in drive. So next step, before I say the transmission's trash, is maybe a vacuum leak going out through the transmission. So that's where we're going to start now, go from there. Alright, so I found a vacuum leak up here. As you can see when I picked it up, it totally just fell apart. Going to the vacuum advance. The reason why I think we're not getting no gear shifting is down here. I don't know if y'all can see it. And if I can find it again. Oh yeah, right here. Let's try to zoom in. Anyways, the line ain't even hooked up on the transmission, so we're gonna get the line hooked up and go from there. Coming up to the Ford. Ford's gonna save the day, I hope. I wanna rob some vacuum lines off of it. If I can get it off. Alright, got some vacuum line. I'm gonna give it a try. See what happens. Alright, got a new vacuum line on. Out or down the line. Running a lot smoother. We're gonna put some more gas up in here. Try it again. Now that we got the hose vacuum line connected to the transmission, let's see if it's gonna shift now. See if she's going to shift. Oh yeah. We good to go. Come on. Shift, baby. Another one, boy. Old 77 SquareBody, abandoned. Back on the road again. That's what we do at Carolina Custom Classics, y'all. Alright, y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in to another episode. Be sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe. Subscribing is free to y'all, but it's worth $1,000,000 to me. Alright, be blessed. Happy Mother's Day.